Everything you produce using Writer's Toolbox, from box plans to mind maps to writing, is automatically saved in Work. Work is your one-stop filing cabinet. There are two sections. The top section, with a carousel function, displays the most recent pieces you've been working on. To access any piece, simply click on it. The lower section is your full document storage area. Here you can access all your work in list form or in gallery view. You can create folders to store specific projects, drag and drop files into folders to organize work. In addition, each year Writer's Toolbox automatically creates a master folder for that year, and with it, class folders for each class you attend. Whenever a teacher sets a task, these files are automatically saved within that relevant class folder. Full search functionality offers a fast way to retrieve any document, searching even by portions of words. And using a simple color coding system, you can see which of your files are in fact paragraphs, or written using Sentence Builder, as well as those that are mind maps, or just box plans. And any document can be easily renamed or deleted. So, happy filing. When you're done, the Home button returns you to the main dashboard.